Okay. Please don't fall. Spearow 804 here. And we are about to try something very interesting. So I was just messing around shiny hunting, whatever. And, you know, the whole, what's it called? Chaining thing. I gave up on shiny hunting because I have no patience for it. I really don't. We'll check the summary of the Spearow, who is naive nature. Alert to sounds, which means his speed stat is crazy. Gave him a whole bunch of Spearow candy, so now his stats look kind of... Aw, don't you fall. Darn it, you stupid phone. I apologize for that. Now I have to deal with the bubble wrap the bonus screen, but please do ignore that. Anyway, this is my Spearow and his moveset. I do not do competitive, but drill 1, drill peck, mirror move, and toxic. And his stats are like spread out. Thanks to the Spearow candies. His speed stat's the best stat because he's naive, right? Yes. 219 speed, which is the best thing he has. 143 defense, we don't care much for that. 125 special defense. If he gets struck by lightning, he's done for. 147, he could probably tolerate maybe one rock slide if he's lucky. 186 attack. Who needs agility? This guy is fast as crap. Compared to my other monsters who are fully evolved and probably about 15 levels ahead of him at max. And this is pretty much, they all have very iffy stats. Except for this guy is OP. He has good IVs spread out everywhere. But, just look at their stats here. Spearow, I kid you not, is faster than the rest of my team. Even faster than Charizard by just 6 points. So we're about to do something very reckless, I tell you. We're going to get rid of everyone else and leave Pierce in a party. And we're going to take on Brock and see what happens as a Spearow at level 60. I bet we're going to get destroyed. Let's find out. Alright, this is officially the first time I'm taking Dasher out the party. I wonder how he feels about that. Dasher, you're not in my party anymore for the first time ever. How does that feel? Oh, okay. Oh, you're trying to act angry. You know, you think you're slick. You think you're slick, Dasher? Ain't falling for that trick. Alright, let's go to Pewter City. Now, I know there's a, what's her name? A secret trainer, master trainer, that's what they're called. In, Pewter City, I think? But we're not ready for her. I'm pretty sure that Spearow's like level 70, and that, I don't know. We're not ready for her. But I was shiny hunting some, what's it called? You know what? Come here. You need to get out your Pokeball. Wait, what am I doing? Take out Pokeball. There you go. Come on, Bao. Whee! Look. This is the Spearow train I'm talking about. We're not taking him on. Look. I did a lot of strolling with this guy. That's why he loves me to death. Let's go and take on Brock. Why are you so excited? You need to chill. He's like flying in front of me because he's so fast. You're such a show-off. You think you're faster than me because you're naive? That's your problem. You don't know reality because you're so naive. You don't even know what you're about to deal with. This is your first battle you ever had in your life. You're level 60. That's pretty sad. How you feel? He's scared. Come on, let's go take on Brock. It's just Spearow, yo. What are we gonna do? He's gonna outspeed all of them. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. There is no way he's going to, one-shot everybody. No way. See, I knew it. I knew it. He took that rock slide like a champ. And that was a super effective attack. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna use Drill Peck again. He dodged it, and they both dodged it. Okay. You know what? We're gonna be mean. No, we're not. We're not gonna use Dasher's help. We're gonna do this all by ourselves. Show what you got. Yo. I'm glad Stone Edge. Does Stone Edge exist in this game? You know what? I'm gonna be stupid and just use Mirror Move. It failed? Oh, he's being smart. He used Reflect. Okay, that's perfectly fine. We're just gonna poison you and forget about the whole situation then. How does Toxic work for non-poison types? What did he do? Does he lick his feathers or poison his slime and just flatter over the darn armor star? He has Blizzard? What is going on? There is absolutely no way we're going to win this fight. Okay, the only way we can win is if he misses Blizzard, and this Armor Star and the Kabutops are the only two I'm worried about. And the Aerodactyl, because Aerodactyl, I think he's a good attacker. He lands it again. But you know what? I think that means that if he keeps using Blizzard, at a certain point I'm going to be able to one-shot him, and I'll be alright. Spearow, this is supposed to be you being epic and sweeping the whole team. You need to focus, camera. Why does he keep landing Blizzard? What's his accuracy? It's supposed to be, what, 75? And he keeps landing it. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. It's probably 85. How come every time the NPC uses Blizzard, it doesn't do anything? Do I have anything? I have special defense things. I gotta start using those once he gets low enough. I'm going to use my defense things. Just so I could be stupid. I forgot they nerfed the Hyper Potion. That's a... I remember it hit 200 HP. They nerfed it even more. Did they nerf it more? He dodged it. Finally, took you long enough, dude. And Reflect wore off. That's awesome. So, we're going to use Drill 1. Wait, Drill 1 is, yeah, it's going to do something. That Armor Star was annoying. Here's Kabutops. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to be stupid and use a whole bunch of X defenses. This is a very long battle. It rolls sharply. I thought I was supposed to do it slightly. What's with this Generation 7 changes? What is going on here? If he lands critical, we're done. If he lands a critical, we're dead. Alright. So I guess that this is technically a metal defense situation right here. And he dodged it, so let's see. Wow, you are very strong. That was a critical. He took it a lot better than I expected him to. And we've run out of Drill 1s. What we're going to do is run out of Drill 1s. Can we take on that trainer? Can we take him on? Watch this guy have some crazy behind, he's gonna pull out something crazy. He's gonna Mega Evolve. Who knows? Watch this guy Mega Evolve. Wait, he never did. Brock, why didn't you Mega Evolve your Pokemon? You have potential, dude. That's all it did? Ooh, we're gonna be mean. We're gonna be so mean. You just got destroyed, dude. How does it feel to get thrown? He flinched. Ha ha. That's funny. There's a bird throwing rocks. He has a golem, guys. He dodged the toxic. How do you dodge a toxic? How do you poison a rock? You're not doing anything to Spearow with your rock slide. I cannot seem to save my life. Your rock slide does nothing. Your rock slide does nothing. Spearow is going to kick your butt. You avoided my drill once, so die. It did nothing. Did nothing. I still can't sing. I sound horrible. Let me stop. Dude. Should I risk it? You know what? We're gonna risk it. If Spearow faints, it's so big. We're just gonna use drill one until his thing just passes out. Just imagine Brock's face. He gets defeated by Spearow. He's like, what is this sorcery? I need to open my eyes because I don't know what's going on. You're getting demolished by a birdie. If we miss, it's all about the power of friendship. The power of friendship is strong. We defeated Brock with the Spearow and just a little bit of potions. We're gonna try to do this with freaking Lieutenant Surge next. Heck, why not take on all the jumpers with this guy? It's gonna be a day we're gonna do this with Spearow, and we're not going to heal him. Come here, talk to me. I know you're hurt. And that, my friend, is a perfect Spearow.